Aizen, let's end this already. So prepare yourself. Getsugatensho.
Hit throughout the rest of the game. It's hurting more now. Comes down to one last play. And it's going to be getting longer by the second. You're all the way back at the 30-yard line. Now you can step into it. Here comes the Hail Mary with the game on the line. And the ball is caught! Caught! It's a miracle! It's Noah Brown! Oh my goodness! This town is going crazy! It's a madhouse in Landover, Maryland! We did it! Oh, this one will be hit back over and over again for decades. Ball tipped by Stevenson. Noah Brown just standing back there all alone. Plucks it out of the air for the victory. I know this sounds crazy, but there's a method to the madness here. Everyone usually goes and jumps the ball. You always put one guy behind and try to put one in front. And then two or three approach it. Daniel's extending this play. And the time allowed everyone to get down there in position to go toward the ball.